What I'm going to do in this presentation is give you a sense of what's next, what's coming. I'm going to take you in my time machine and give you a glimpse of some of the technologies, some of the key drivers of what's going to shape the future of healthcare. I run a think tank in San Francisco. We're obsessed with one thing: what's coming next, how to help our clients better anticipate what's coming next. So I'm going to give you a taste of all of that. We have a few clients, some of you may be in the audience, and we have the advantage of looking out over many different vertical industries, about 30. But certainly with my background and practice concerns about healthcare, I have a long history of trying to get healthcare organizations, hospitals, government, to understand what's next and how to be able to improve health. So I will give you a sense of that background, and you'll see some of my bias. The key theme certainly is that there are radical innovations that are emerging, and these radical innovations, much faster than ever before, are going to create opportunity for you. So the good news is there's a lot more technology coming sooner, much faster. I'm going to talk about 4 key power tools that will transform healthcare in the 21st century. They are nano, bio, IT, and neuroscience, or cognitive science. We'll talk a little bit about the convergence of these 4 power tools, and I'll lay down kind of a logic path about how they will enhance us. In fact, health enhancement will be the largest marketplace, the largest industry in the 21st century. Just to make my case about that, because often people will say, Dr. Canton, what do you really mean by that? Just a show of hands. How many folks are enhanced in the room? I don't see a lot of hands up there. How many people have had, let me define that. How many people have had braces or wearing glasses or contact lenses? Show of hands. This is our survey. Let's look around. We're very survey-driven here. It's all about the data, so let's get those hands up, right? Yeah, okay. It's about 90% of you. How many of you are taking some kind of pharmaceutical to keep you healthier or to deal with a particular kind of disease problem? Show of hands. Yeah. In fact, there's a whole new category of lifestyle enhancement pharmaceuticals, right? Or I refer to them as leisure pharmaceuticals, that are emerging within the health enhancement marketplace. But there's a new era of predictive health that's emerging, and my job is to kind of say, look, the health IT piece is one piece of this, but you better get ready for new technologies. You better get ready for where we're going in this era, because the convergence of nanobio, IT, and neuroscience is going to create a variety of new tools with greater visibility, greater opportunities to enhance performance, care, quality, and a good ROI. And we're just at the edge of this when I say this is the emerging post-industrial transformation, because we don't have the tools yet. Disease begins at the atomic scale. Disease begins at a level that we can't see yet. There's a whole generation of diagnostic tools, right, that have to do with understanding DNA, understanding where disease begins, that we don't have yet, but we will have. And as they emerge, we'll be able to understand subtle interactions and precursors of disease, which will completely transform healthcare in this decade.